How to create EA account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is HowToBoss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create an EA or Electronic Arts account. So without further ado, let's dive into our Google account. Let's type in create EA account. So right here, we have it here. And by the way guys, an EA account is necessary if you want to access and enjoy various EA games and services such as FIFA, The Sims, and more. By creating an EA account, you can save your progress, participate in an online multiplayer, and access exclusive content. And in this tutorial, we'll show you and guide you through the process of creating your very own EA account. So without further ado, let's click on this one. Create an EA account. So the first thing you need to do is set up your account. You need an email address, public ID, password, country, and date of birth. So let's go right here. Let's click on create. So here, these are a variety of games that we can play with EA account that needs an authorization. So here, click on profile. Once you've clicked on profile right here on the upper right part, click on create account. So once you've clicked on that, let's wait for this website to load. So right here, let's just wait for this to load. So once it loads, this tab or this application will appear. So you can use your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID, Steam account, Xbox account, and PlayStation account. So for me, I'm gonna go and try our Google account right here to register on EA games or EA account. So let's click on our Gmail. So let's click on continue. So here, it needs our date of birth. So click on our date of birth right here. And also guys, don't forget your country of origin. So let's click on this one right here and click on next. So once you've clicked on next, you must have to read this profile. Visibility to everyone. For me, allow players to find me with my email address. If it's that okay with you, if you want to play with other players, and email me about products, news, and events. This is just optional, but for me, this one, the last part, you have to accept the agreement. So create an account. So right here, this is gonna be your EA ID. So let's click on finish. So once you've done, you have now already signed in to your EA account. And that's it guys. You've successfully learned how to create an EA account by following the steps we've outlined in this video. You now have access to a world of exciting EA games and online features. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming and tech related content. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.